So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super awesome. Play American Marksman a lot. I know you do. So today I'll show you how to get free money and stuff. So as you can see, I'm broke, but we can get free gold in American Marksman using this hack. So I just turned on unlimited gold, so let's see if it goes up. So hopefully we do see an increase. So yeah, as you can see, these are our values right now, which are really broke. So I'm a big guy, like I'm a big advocate for mods, so I think it's gonna work. So let's see if it increases or not. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get this American Marksman hack so you can get free gold. Super cool, guys. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. So first things first, just go over to tweakmod.com. And once you're there, guys, just type in American Marksman, and then just go ahead, press install. Before the mod downloads, there is going to be one more step. This is the verification step. So you just need to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, super cool. So let's just give it a second to load up, as you can see. So yeah, it's super insane, guys. So we're just gonna let it load. So yeah, let's just see what happens, and we should be all set. So basically, it's just gonna say like missing files. You just need to download like 2 of these apps. So you don't have to get the same ones as me, but just make sure you download 2 of them. So like Underdog, down around for 30 seconds. You know, Family Island, reach level 11. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're done. Travel Town says reach level 9 as well. This one you got to go through this blue page, but yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. So that's how to get the American Marksman mod for 2025. So super cool, guys. Free money coming your way. Very nice. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out.